Hi everyone, thanks for joining. So today I'm going to explain how to practice the Unix commands without Unix operating system. Okay, so parallelly I will be explain. So what is the Unix and Linux and what are the difference between Unix and Linux? Okay, and how to write a Unix commands or how to practice the Unix commands without Unix operating system. Okay, let's start today's session. Let me share my screen. Okay, to practice the Unix commands, we need to install the two applications, that is Putty and WinSCP. Okay, so previously I was installed those two applications. For today's sessions, I was uninstalled those two and reinstall again. Okay, open the Chrome browser, type on Putty. Download 64-bit version. Already I was installed. Let me stop this one. Install like this one. Give the permissions. Okay, accept the permissions and click on next. Next, install. Okay, finish. So open, go to the command line interface, type putty. Reinstall. Let me reinstall again. Okay. Next, install. Give the permissions. Finish. Next, finish. Type putty. Okay. Once installed, go to the command line interface, type on putty. The page will be open like this. Okay. If you want to create a shortcut, type putty. Right click, open the file location. Right click on this application. Send it to desktop with create a shortcut. Okay. Goes to all the tabs. Okay, here we can see the putty. Next, I need to install WinSCP. Okay, same. Go to the Chrome, type WinSCP. Download, download here. Download. Download. Here it will be download. Open the file, give the permissions, yes, and accept the permissions. Next, install, uncheck these two checkboxes. Finish. Okay. So we need to check whether the WinSCP installed or not. Go to the command line interface, WinSCP. So once open that one, the page will be open like this. Okay. If you want to log in the any server, we can provide the host name, username, and password. Okay, I'll show you this one also. Close this one. Okay, if you want to create a shortcut in desktop, go to the command line interface, type WinSCP, right click, open the file location. Again, right click, send it to desktop with shortcut. Okay. So here both Putty and WinSCP both are created. Okay. So next one is, what is the Unix? Okay. Unix is a operating system, and Linux is a operating system. Both are OS. So what is the difference between Unix and Linux? So Unix is a old version. Later it will be updated to Linux. So what is the advantages of Unix and Linux? If you want to update the anyone, we need to some advantages, right? So Unix is a only command line interface. That means in Unix, you can do all in command format only. Write a commands in command line interface only. But Linux, it will both command line interface and graphical user interface. So how Windows will be performed. So graphical user interface means if you want to create any directory, right click, create folder. This is the graphical user interface. But if you want to create a directory in Unix, we need to give the some commands. That commands will be, I will be explained. Okay, this is the graphical user interface. So Linux, once update the Unix to Linux, so Linux will be supported both graphical user interface and command line interface. Okay, Windows is also graphic user interface and command line interface. So most of the members use only Windows. Okay, so Windows the first will be developed in Visual Basic language. So as of I know, the first will be developed by Visual Basic language. So later it will be developed with different languages like VB.NET, C#.NET, ASP.NET, etc. So later we have different languages, right? Python and Java, etc. But Unix will be developed in C language. So that's why Unix in Unix commands we can write only small letters only. So case sensitive. So C language is a case sensitive, right? So that's why Unix is also a case sensitive. So we have to practice the Unix commands without Unix operating system. We require these two applications. Okay. Okay. Let's start our commands. Okay. So first, if you want to practice, we need to create a one account. I'll show you that one. That is Linux. So enter. Open this one. Here we can create a one account. Okay. Previously, I was created a couple of accounts. So I'll create a one more account. So first go to the. So I'll first log off my account. Okay. So first go to the register for an account. Then the page will become like this. Click here. Here we can provide any email. So this email is If you are created this email, that's not a problem. If you are not created, that is also fine. Just we can provide any of the name. Okay. Just my name is Shiva. So I'll give okay at the rate gmail.com. Okay, we can give the password. Retype the same password. First we can give. Okay. Then we can click on this down arrow mark, just interested. Then we can accept the conditions, register. So this email address already registered. Change the email address. This is also already registered. Press this one. Okay, we must change the password. Register. This one. One second, I'll open one more tab. Linux. So register for account. Interested. Accept. Register. Let me try one time. Okay. Second. Okay, I will provide this one, escape14@gmail.com. So once click on the accept permissions, then the page will be come like this. Okay, then you need to click on join queue, then connect. Let me put some more in it. Switch on, connect. Okay, it's changed to busy, right? Then it will be changed to run. Okay, run. Okay, next we need to open the putty. Open the putty. Here we need to give the host name. So what is the host name? This is the host name. Okay, linuxzoo.net. Copy this one, paste it here. Okay, then click on open. Okay, so here it's asking login. So it's asking username. So how do you know the username? Just click here. So here we can see root. Root is the username. Okay, copy this one, or else we can type it root. Then it's asking the password. So password is secure. Okay. So while typing the password, it will not showing the I mean cursor is not moving. Just we need to type the password. Okay. Okay. Now it's like you want to clear all the data. Clear. Okay. So let's start. Okay. I'll explain these comments. Okay, one by one. So the first one is PWD. Okay. PW means present working directory. So currently where are you now? Which directory we are? Okay. PWD. So currently we are in root folder. Okay, root directory. Okay, if you want to check the in root folder, how many files are there? How many directories are there? If you want to check that one, we can type ls list of files. Okay, currently no files are there, no folders are there. Okay. Next. Okay. So initially we are in root folder. So first we need to create a directory. In Windows, how to create a directory? Just we can right click here, create a directly on here. Okay. But in command line in Unix, by using the command line commands, how to create? We have one command is mkdir. By using that command, we can create a one directory. Okay. Mkdir directory one. Okay. So now we have created a one directory. So we need to check whether the directory created or not. So that is list of the commands, ls. Okay. Okay, initially these two are there, but right now directory one is there. Okay. So currently where are you now? That means present working directory. PWD. Okay. Currently we are in root folder. Okay. In root folder we have created one directory by using mkdir. Okay. Okay. Suppose I want to create a more number of directories. How to create this one? Okay. One second. mkdir dir 2 space dir 3. Okay. Enter. So I want to show the how many directories using ls. Initially, the directory 1 is there. Now, directory 2 and directory 3 will be created. Okay. So, if you want to, I want to enter the root folder to directory 1. So, how to go to the directory 1? Currently, we are in root folder. I want to go to the directory 1 folder. How to go? cd space dir 1. Go to the enter. Then if you want, then we need to check where we are. Okay, PWD, working directory. Initially, root folder are there. Then we are entered to root folder. In that root folder, we have created one directory. Okay, directory one. Now we are in directory one. Okay. So if you want to remove the directories, I don't want to this much of directories. So I want to remove the directories. How to remove? Okay. rm dir space dir 2. I want to remove the directory 2. Okay. Okay. 1 second. Okay. rm dir dir 2. Okay. Then the directory will be deleted. Directory 2 will be deleted. So I want to check whether the directory is deleted or not. List of directories. LS. So initially three directories are there. I was removed this directory 2. Now directory 1 is there, directory 3 is there. So I want to remove the directory 3 also. rm dir 3 directory 3. Enter. Okay. Then I want to check whether the deleted or not this directory ls. Okay. Only directory 1 is there. So 2 and 3 is deleted. Okay. So currently where are you now? To check PWD, present working directory. Currently in root directory. So if you want to enter the directory 1, cd space dir 1. Okay. Enter. Then we need to check present where are you now. So initially root folder are there, root folder are. Then we need to come directory 1. So if you want to, I don't want to directory 1. I want to back to root directory. Okay. cd space dot dot. Okay. Here, then we need to enter. So again, we will come back to root folder. Okay. Okay. We'll go to next command. So mkta command is completed. Remove directory is completed. So change directory. If you want to go to the new directory, cd space directory. If you want to back the if you want to come to back, cd space dot. Okay. So next I want to check the calendar. So just give the cal. So it will show you today's date. Okay. Or else if you want to give the date, it will show you the today's date with the time zone. So time zone is a GMT time zone, so that's why it will show you. So if you want to only date, we need to give this one. Okay. Go to the putty. It will show you only date for that. Okay. So the next one is create a file in Unix. So this is very much important. So by in Unix, we can create a file to by using the if you want to create a file in Unix, we can use two commands. That is cat command and touch command. So what is the difference between cat and touch? So I'll show you that one also. First, we can create a one file by using the cat command. Okay. So currently where are you now? Currently in need to check PWD. Currently in root folder. I want to enter the directory one. Okay. cd space dir. So cd space dir 1. Yeah. PWD. Okay. Currently we are in directory one. Okay. So we don't want these data, just clear LG here. Then present working. Okay. Currently we are in directory. So now I'm creating a file by using the cat command. Okay. Cat greater than or equal to a file lg file1 dot txt. Okay, where we need to create this file inside the directory one. Okay, enter. So once I enter here, we need to write some data. Okay, this is the my first section. Thank you for joining. Okay, once completed, Control C. Okay. Okay. So how to create a file by using the cat command? Cat file1.txt. Okay. So we need to check whether the file is created or not. Okay, in root directory. So how to check? I want to show the how many files in the directory one. Okay, ls. This is the files. So we have created a file one in directory one. That is the file. Okay. So if you want to, I want to check the data in file. How to check? Cat file1 dot txt. Okay, enter. So this is the information I have wrote it previously in file1. Okay. So I will explain one more command in touch command. Okay. By using the touch command also, we can create a file. Okay. And I'll explain what is the difference. Okay. So touch. So initially we have created one file that is file1.txt. So now I'm creating one more file that is file2.txt. Okay. Enter. Okay. So I want to check how many files are there. Just type ls. Okay. Initially one file is there, file1.txt. Now file2.txt. So I want to check the data in file2.txt. Okay. Cat file2.txt. Okay. Is there any data in file2.txt? No. Why? Because we are not we are not writing wrote any data. Okay. So now what is the difference between touch command and cat command? So if you create a file by using the cat command, we can write the data. Okay. I will explain creating one more time. Cat greater than file3 dot txt. Once click on enter, it will ask me to write some data. Okay, enter. Okay, it is asking some data. Okay, this is my third file. Okay. Thank you. Enter control C. But so I want to show how many files are left. Okay, file 3 is there. So I will create a one more file by using the touch command. So here they are not asking the any data. Directly it will create a file. UCH touch file 4.txt. Okay, click enter. Directly it's not asking the any data. Directly will create a empty file. I want to show the list of files. So total four files are there in directory. So cat command means it will create a file. In that file we can write some data, but touch command it will create a empty file. Okay, even cat commands also we can write a empty file. Okay, I'll show you file. Second, cat greater than file 5 dot txt. enter control C. So ls. So by using the cat command also we can create a file. Okay. So mostly we are using cat command only. So no need to use cat command. Okay. So then go to next command. Okay. Next cat -b file. Okay. What is this one? Okay. Cat -b space -b file name. So file one dot txt. So what is this command means? Here, if you write any data in file one, it will show you how many lines of data you have written. So cat hyphen b file one dot txt. Okay. So we have wrote three lines. Okay. This is my first children. Thanks for joining. Okay. By using this command, we can check how many lines of code in that file. Okay. Okay. Next. So in ls command, we have different types of system. Okay. I'll explain all these things. Okay. The first one is ls hyphen l. Okay. ls space hyphen l. So it will show you all the files. Okay. It will show all the files with some permissions. This is with a long format. Okay. So this is the username. Okay. This is the file format, .txt format. Okay. We can create a .csv also. Okay. The next one .here, which means we can create a hidden files. Okay. So if you want to create a hidden files, we can use dot before. Okay. So normally how can create a file by using do type command dot file 6 dot txt. Enter. So I want to show the how many files. It will show five only. Sixth file is not shown. Okay, why? Because it's a hidden file. Okay. I want to show that file also. Okay. ls space hyphen u. Now it will show in the file 6 also. Okay. Okay. So next ls hyphen r. ls space hyphen r. Capital R. So ls hyphen capital R means it will show you the entire the structure. Okay. Entire directory list. So how many files are there in directory one? How many files are there in root directory? So entire will be it will be showing. Okay. Next ls space hyphen it. So it will show you the all the files with date format. Okay. So 10 4 this file was created, 10 5 this file was created. Likewise, it will show you the all the time format. Okay. If you want to reverse that order, so ls minus lrt. ls space hyphen lrt. So lrt means reverse order. Initially 10 o'clock it will be created a file. It will be reverse order. Okay. Next. So if you want to check how many files are there with starting main with file. Okay, how to check that one? By using the ls. So ls space file space stop. So it will display the all the files with the naming starting with file. Okay. Okay. Totally, how many files are there? Total 5 files are there. So 61 is hidden file. So that's why it's not showing. So ls space star txt. It will show you how many files are there ending with the .txt. Okay. It will show you all the files. Okay. Okay. As of now, I have explained these commands. So I'll explain next class. I mean, these commands also. Okay. Okay. Keep practicing all these commands. Without practice, it's not okay. Not possible to create. Okay. Thank you all. Thanks for joining. Please subscribe my channel. Informatica Training. Thank you.